And welcome to the Big Fat Fit. In today's video, we are going to be learning how to make oats high protein and healthy. This video is going to be split into three parts. Number one, cooking and recipe. Number two, facts about oats. And number three, how to make it very tasty and you'll like it. So guys, now you got to know how to prepare the oats. As I always say, it's very important to count the calories and know the macronutrients in what you're eating. Having said that, this recipe of oats has 450 calories. The macros can be seen here. So yes, we are doing this oats in a very traditional manner, giving you the protein from whey and also customizing it so that you will like it. So yes guys, the key to customizing your oats is the key to you liking it. Now look at your traditional breakfasts: idli, vada, dosa, poha, upma, vada pav. All of these are very calorically dense. So imagine you start liking oats and have oats every single day. That changes your life fundamentally. You're getting healthier and your breakfast habits have just gotten better. So make it a habit. Have oats as your breakfast. Start with 3 days a week, move on to 4 days, and then try having it every day. Yes, by adding fruits and dry fruits, you add a bit of carbs and unwanted fat, but that's gonna make you like it, then that means it is sustainable. Happy oats to you and hope you enjoyed the video.